Hi, it's Jack from Evaporate, and today I'm going to show you how to join a Microsoft Teams live event. Now, Microsoft Teams has become an extremely popular platform, especially given the current climate. A lot of organizations are opting to use the platform to host their event as well as their webinars. Now, what I'm going to do today is show you how to join one of these events without having a Microsoft Teams account and without having to install any software. Now, if you are invited to one of these events, you'd normally receive an email with a link which will enable you just to click on it, and this would then open up your browser of choice. Now, I personally would suggest that you use a browser such as Google Chrome, as it works really nicely with Microsoft Teams' web interface. So if we open up the email and click on the relevant link, this will then open up your browser, in my case, Google Chrome. And usually it will come up with a little pop-up if you have Teams installed locally saying open Microsoft Teams. In this case, I'm going to say cancel because I'm not interested. I want to use the web. As you can see, there's a watch on the web instead. So we click on that. Once you click on that, it's then going to be opening up the Microsoft Teams web interface, which usually takes between 5 to 10 seconds, in this case a lot quicker. You'll see the welcome to the live event title with an option to sign in underneath. Again, I'm going to sign in anonymously because there's a lot less work involved. Click on that, and that will then open up the actual presenter screen. So you'll actually be logged into the live event, and you should hopefully see the Evaporate presentation straight in front. That's how easy it is to join a Microsoft Teams live event.